Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the notebook and choosing the cell that will hold the heading. Change the cell type to Markdown using the toolbar dropdown or press ESC then M. This tells Jupyter to treat content as formatted text. Once done, place the cursor at the start of the cell. Make sure to remove any stray code tokens so Markdown renders properly. This first step establishes the environment and sets you up to write headings that display cleanly. Now you write the heading itself using Markdown. For a top-level heading, type 1 hash. For subheadings, use more hashes. Remember to add a space after the hash symbols. You can combine formatting, bold, italic, or inline code to emphasize words. Once satisfied, press Shift plus Enter to render the Markdown into a visual heading. If you need a subtitle, add a new Markdown cell beneath and use smaller heading levels. This keeps structure logical and scannable for readers. Finish by refining the heading and checking appearance. If you want custom sizes or colors, you can embed simple HTML tags directly in the Markdown cell. Markdown and HTML render together. Once done, press Shift plus Enter to confirm layout across the notebook. If your heading still looks like plain text, make sure the cell is set to Markdown and not code. If problems persist, save, refresh the browser, or restart the kernel to clear rendering.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.